Hey friends, it's been a while again. We got a couple videos in the works, possibly today. We'll see. But right now, we're gonna work on the John Deere E120. I want to clean it up. I did a good clean last year on it, but yeah, she's dirty. Needs some fuel too. But project for today. Oh no! I broke it. This one seems to pop off a lot, but whatever. We got mulching blades to put on there. Now, I'm not going to record putting them on, but I'll show you the setup once I get it done. We got to move the big truck. You're going to back this up to probably the back tire so it doesn't move, and because the jack doesn't really get it high enough, and it's not worth spending like $300 for the Harbor Freight mower jack system. I'm going to use the engine hoist. So I gotta move all of this crap. So yeah, I'll get on that. And we are also planning on, let's see here, let's get this open. Here's that. Oh, getting rid of this all-in-one oil filter and switching to conventional system so I can get all the oil out and just we'll be a lot happier with it. You can tell this is finally getting dirty. The air filter finally needs to get changed. We've had this 2 years. Last year it looked good. Oh, we did get the mulcher attachment last year, so I put that on. I'm loving it, really. The yard seems to like it a lot better too, so I'm pretty happy. But anyways, I'm gonna turn my music on. I got the Google Nest speaker out here. For some reason it doesn't want to connect to the Wi-Fi out here, so I just cast from my phone and it seems to work fine. So I will catch up to you when I get that thing lifted up. See you soon. Well, here's the update. I'll probably grab the jack stands and get them under there, so it's a little bit safer. But I trust this thing. It's done a lot for me and never faltered. Haven't had to use it in a while though. But yeah. And let's get under here and you can see. Oh boy. What's the cutting edge? Probably that. You can see that is not very straight. This thing does not really cut grass anymore, just kind of shreds it. And some sort of rope got stuck on here. But yeah, I'm gonna get the pressure washer out, clean this out really, really well, and get the new blades on. So we'll see you in a little bit. Okay, not sure where I'm going to put this in the video, but I got to remember to put it in there. The wheel bolts are 15 millimeters, and the big old nuts on the drive shaft things for the blades are 24. My new blades, which I'll go through the video, see if I have the brand and model number and everything, or maybe it's on the box there. It's got a sticker that says which side is up, which makes it super easy. You don't put it on backwards. They are keyed, so you can only get it on there a certain way. Well, actually, it'll go in a lot of ways, but doesn't matter which way they are with the other one. Maybe for balancing it does, but that's a lawnmower, and I'm on it maybe 20 minutes once a week with the mower blades going. Anyways, yep. All right. We're back. I just finished mowing, and I gotta say, the yard looks cleaner It's definitely cut a lot nicer. I don't have any before footage of the mower cutting or anything. It does make some weird noises, but I think it's just those scary blades throwing chunks of stuff up into the housing around the blades. And with the adjustment on the front wheels there, didn't hit this. And the part where I almost always hit is going around this little hill. Like you can see last week, I got it real good right there. And sometimes I'll get over here. But nothing. Love this mower, even like when the grass has been like a foot tall, it just mows through it. We gotta go a little bit slow so I don't jam up the blades. And I would have to pull the mulcher thing off if I let it get that high again. But look at this. All smooth, all pretty much the same height. I'm happy. I give these blades a thumbs up. And the mower a thumbs up. And I put the wheels to the second lowest setting. And I mow, let's see, at whatever height this is, between 3 and 4, somewhere in there. Seems to work well for our bumpy yard. And I don't go for a nice yard. I don't care. I just want it to look decent. I wish some stuff. I should probably just get rid of all of this and get flowers that just regrow every year over there. And we got some new big ass animal. I've seen him twice now, once running into his hole, that was today, once running into that stuff. But he's a big boy. And strong. Because he moved this big ass thing of concrete. So I got to deal with that one of these days. But anyways, I'm gonna end this video here. I am really happy with it. And I gotta say, between using the push mower and that, like, this isn't a big yard. But I got the wagon, got the mower, it just does such a better job. And with the wheels on the thing, it doesn't scalp the yard as much now. And it just goes so much faster and it's more powerful. I'm just so happy. And when I get the other things for it, I'll make a new video, let you know how I feel about it. But anyways, this is Joey out. Don't party too hard, because you don't want to end up dying. I don't know. I'm trying to figure this ending out. But peace out. Good one. Bye.